Viewers, this is website development or website design for beginners guide lesson 2. I remain your instructor, Vincent Hope. Today, our lesson outline contains the following. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at samples of no-code website development platforms. That is website platforms that you can build websites without coding. We're going to delve into the site we're going to use for our practice, SITEBUILDER.com. We're going to take a tour around that site. We're going to view sample websites. Every time you want to build a website, you need to have samples you should look at. We're going to create a website in SITEBUILDER. Then we're going to save it, and we're also going to do basic editing. So let's jump right into it. So let's go back to our Google right now. We can type in our Google. Let me minimize the page for the Google. I minimize the page. Okay, now we're now in Google. Then I can type website builders. You can see it has come up. If I click website builders, okay, now you see it brings out this. These are websites where you can build simple websites without coding. You have Squarespace, Duda, Web.com, GoDaddy, Hostinga International, Weebly, Wix, Shopify, WordPress. There are many more. You also have Jimdo, but there are so much more than this. These are just the current trending ones people are using. So these are sites you can build websites without coding. Now, for our lesson, like we said in our outline, we're going to use SITEBUILDER.com. I chose this because it is an easy website builder that helps you to learn how to build sites without code. So let's go there. So if we go to Google and we type SITEBUILDER.com. You can see it already opens up here. So I click this. So SITEBUILDER.com. You have different options here. You have www.sitebuilder.com. But the one we're going to use is this one, where you search with this blue tag here. It says login SITEBUILDER.com. So I'm going to open this, right click it, go to open link in new tab. Okay, so it opens up here. So I click this and I wait for it. Okay, so it comes up with my email, which I've already used because I'll be using the site regularly, and my password. So I'll give you my password as far as you're a student with our institute. But if you are a new person to this site, you can simply sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. But Google is easier. Now, so let's jump right into it. So this is my account. The password is already entered. So I click sign in. When I click sign in, it takes me to the site itself. You see it here, SITEBUILDER.com. You see the mouse pointer mark, which tells you that this is the site we're using. This is somebody's website, Murphy Yade is building an automobile website, but this is not what we're going to now. What we want to create a bakery site or a pastry site, bakery or pastry. So we can so if you want to create that, you need to have samples or look at other websites that have done similar to what you want to achieve. It's important to guide you. So if we go back to Google, we type bakery website examples. If I click on that, you can see it brings out some which I've already done before. So I just wanted to make the process faster. So if I come here, let's say Muffin Group, I just click on it. If I click on it, let's see what it comes up with. Okay. I click on it again. Okay, so it comes up with delicious looking bakery websites to inspire the web designer in you. So let's scroll down. I use my arrow key down. Now it gives us several examples. Example of bakery websites. I can use my mouse pointer here. You have Sonoma. Okay. Let's scroll down. We have B Baker 3. This is the site here, which I have opened for you here. Just to make it faster, this is how B Baker looks like. Let me scroll down again. Scroll down. I have King Otto Baking Company. I've also opened it up here. This is King Otto. Where is it? King Otto Baking Company. You can see the logo here. Then we go back to our delicious bakery. We scroll down. If we scroll down, we also have this website here, Cobb's Bread. I also took the luxury to open it down. So this is Cobb's Bread here. This is the website. So these are samples. So I'm going to be using these 3 as my sample guide. Now let me close this. Now this is Taste Original Code. That's B Baker Company. Now what does it have? It has home. It has products as its menu. It has recipes. On this other side, it has about, contact, and buy now. Now let me scroll down and so that you can see what it takes. You can see it has a big picture here showing some of the products it has. Okay, let's scroll down. It talks about, it has some sample products, original recipe made, chocolate cookies, legendary wheat biscuits, grandma recipe, sweet French bread, and the rest of it. Okay, meeting the history of the company, tells us when it started and the history. Now let's continue. Okay, you see other pictures of some of the products they also do. Then let's scroll down. You can see now that we have other pictures down. There's a picture for contact us here. So what do you have? This is the last part of the web homepage. You can see it has a phone number here, the team of the team of the people who are behind this website, the products, their history, their clients, their certificates. So this is how this website looks like. If I scroll back up, if I scroll back up, then check on recipes or products. So I check on products, that means what they have. Okay, see our products, you see it. I scroll down, they have wheat cookies. It tells you about the ingredients. They have sesame cookies. I'm scrolling down. They have handmade pretzels and many more. Now let's go to King Otto. It's similar. You can also look at the menu here, shop recipe. Now this recipe, immediately you put the mouse pointer on top of the menu. It brings out all the different recipes: bread, biscuits and bread, buns, roll cake, and the rest of it. I think I like this. This is more easier to navigate. So baking school, impact, and the rest. Now let's check the third one. Okay, so this one has products, Cobb's Club, franchising, carriers. So if I click on products, which I am now, I scroll down, I begin to see the different products. I have high fiber lunch bun 6-pack, high fiber loaf, pumpkin store. This is a Canadian website. If I scroll up, I have cake slips, loaves, and the rest of it. So I have 3 samples. For the menu, I think I like this menu. For the startup pictures, I think I like this one from the home page. I like to start up with a home page that has basic information, basic of the products. I like this home page, but I like the menu of this, and this one is also similar. This one has it has its products here. It has a club and the rest. So I think I prefer I'll pick up from this two. So let me go back to my site builder. I click site builder. Now, as I'm on site builder, I want to create a site. So what I'll first do is I click site actions here. Then you see this point, you said unpublish your site, blah, 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 but let's come to create site. I click create site. Now it gives me two options. So how do you want to create your site? Using Express, try out easy, intelligent, automatic editor. This one makes it easy for you to create, but I prefer the traditional so that you can follow the steps. So build with beautiful traditional drag and drop editor. Then, so let's click go traditional. Okay, now it says choose a template for your website. What is a template? A template is a pre-designed website or web set of web pages that guides you in what you want to do, what kind of site you want to create. Now look at this, is for all categories. Now if I want for beauty and fashion category, I select this. It brings out sample templates for beauty and fashion. If I want computers and technology, it brings out sample websites, sample templates for computers and technology. But I want the one I would like to go for would be restaurants and eateries. I click on it. So restaurants and eateries. So you can see the first template here is for cakes. I can just go here and click choose. When I click choose, I wait for it to upload. Now the site building is putting the web editor together. I said we should give it a time. Say please wait. So okay, now we are here. So it has created for us a template. So let's see, it's still loading. So it's created for us a template. Okay, now with this template it has created for us. You can see that you have the logo here. You can see menus here. You can see, if we scroll down now, this is a picture here. Then if we scroll down now, we have here, we can add some other information. So this area is fully editable. That means you can add some info here. You see some pictures here. Now, for example, this is yummy cupcakes. You edit some of the content here. You have yummy celebration cakes, yummy cakes. You can yummy cakes just because you can edit this, which we will do in a short while. Then you can join the community. You can sign up here. Now you can add some other things here, but for this lesson, let's just do some basic editing. Now if I want to, let me first give this restaurant, this website, I can decide to call it welcome to, I click here, remove this content, delete this. I can say welcome to, Baker's. I can change mine to Baker's World. I can say welcome to Baker's World. Okay, you can see it has changed. I can scroll down. If I scroll down a bit, I can change the content here. I can say this company was founded in 2024. I can remove the content. You can edit it as you want, based on what you want. So let me just remove this as I want it. You can see as I did it, I can highlight it, just like in Microsoft Word, make it bolder, increase the size. From this is 10, make this one 18, make it a bit still bigger. From 18, make it 42. Or make it a bit bigger, a bit lower, reduce the size. 42 looks too big, let's make it 30. Okay. So I can also add different colors. This is text color. Make it more colors. make it red. Click red here. You can see the correct color. This is original. Okay, it's now adjusted. Okay, now so you can do so for the remaining text. I can come here under yummy cakes. I can say, okay, yummy top cupcakes. This is celebration cake. I can change this one here to strawberry cakes. Strawberry cakes. I can edit the contents of all this. Then I scroll up. If I want to change a picture or I want to change a logo, well, let's change the logo in this class. So this is logo. I click on this logo. It just puts the bakery. You can see where here it says change image. I click change image here. Now I'll upload an image that I want to change. So I can click upload. And I say from my computer. This is the one I stored already. I stored it in a folder called cakes. So I click on it and I click open. So it uploads it, although it's already here, but I just wanted to show you how to upload. So it's uploading. Then you give it a few more minutes. It will upload depending on your network. Okay, you can see it is here now. And I click on it. Then I click place. You can see that logo now has changed to this. So basically that's how you edit. Then what you do next is simply to save what you have done. You click save. You click save. When you click save, it will ask you to name your site. I can call it Baker's World. Baker's World. Now look at the name it gives to it. https://bakersworld.myfreesite.net. It's because you are using their domain name, myfreesite.com. Then you click save my website. It's going to save your website. So we're waiting for it to save. So you can see that it has saved. Now to check what you have done, you can preview it. You click here, preview. When you click preview, this is how your site looks like. Look at the logo you inserted. It says welcome to Baker's World. This is, you're already on the home page. If you click about us, it's showing another page which needs to be edited. So you can edit it and save it continually, and it will keep on updating. So if you go to products, you click on products. These are your products page. So here you can edit each of this, change the pictures of each of these ones, just like we did now, and edit it as you want. Then you have, so each of these you have contact. If you have contact here, so you have contact here. This is already done, so you can change this address to yours, change the telephone numbers, change the fax, and the rest of it. So when you are done, you click finish preview. Like I said, you've already saved it, already saved it. Still are not sure, you can still click save again to save any content that you want, that you have just corrected or updated. So that is basically how you build a no-code website. Finally, if you still want to come back to the site and see how it updates, if I close this, for example, I close this and I come back to my login page, which from the Google, I come to this place, I log in again, right click, open in a new page. Let's see how we can upload that site back to how we started. So we are coming back to Site Builder. The email and password is already here. Click sign in. When you click sign in, you can see Site Builder always leaves the last website of what you were working on. So you see Baker's World, that was what we just finished. All you need to do, you can come and click here, or you click edit site. So as if we just click this here, that site which you have just clicked now, okay? It's saying, let's go back. It's trying to still upload. Let's go back. Let's click edit site. We click edit site. Okay. It will bring back the site that we just finished building. Then you can continue to edit the site. So this is how you build a simple no-code website using SITEBUILDER website builder. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So if you have any comments, any observations, please drop your comments on this video. Thank you for watching. My name remains Vincent Hope. Do have a very